We're here at Camco checking out on some vehicles right there. We won't bother them too much, but we got a 5500 right now that's getting a flatbed, and we got a Ram 2500 getting a gooseneck done. I don't know. I don't want to bother them, but they're in there. You can kind of see. What is it? A puck system.
A puck system. It should be done today, though.
It should be done today. So that's the one we came to check. We won't bother the guys because we actually need it out today. So we won't bother the guys too much because they gotta pre-drill the holes. They gotta put the puck system, and so I told them it needed to be done today. So I won't bother them too much. We got the fabrication. Check it out. We actually put flatbeds on actual 3500 with the Drexel beds on. So here's where they take out all the stuff. We put all the good stuff in here. And then they got more work. I told them that my sold unit needed to come first, so they put all those other vehicles to the side. I told them, hey, my customer, we need to get them done because my vehicle sold. We got to get that one done. The city can wait. The city can wait. So I know we do a lot of city work. We do a lot of work for the city, multiple cities, City of FAR, City of San Juan. We do appreciate all their work. They do a lot of stuff for them. And we're also, one of the things that I do to let all my customers know is that when a customer wants a flatbed, even though I do have a cabin chassis, it does look like a lot of work. But my guys here at Camco, we have a great partnership where I prepay for a lot of these flatbeds. Check this out. They got all of these in stock. We don't have them at the dealership, but they got them in stock. So basically these guys, 1, maybe 2 days, if they're a little backed up, they drop these bad boys on these cabin chassis, plug the lights, everything in, and we'll get you rolling. So I know that these cabin chassis, they look a little plain, and they're like, well, Adrian, I'm leaving out of town. I need this vehicle done. Guys, I prepaid for these flatbeds for a reason, okay? And we got more over here. We got some of these. We actually have one here. This is not mine, but we have one dump body here. This one, I think it's gonna be for like a 5500. You need a heavier duty truck for this. Those right there are more for like utility, electric companies, or just if you're a one-man band, that'll work good for a 3500, so on and so forth.
Oh my God! Please do the interrupt this session.
I think I smell like cat.
You're such a cat.
I think I smell like cat. Maybe that's a.
Oh, you're so cute. Oh, she liked you, Adrian.
I think I smell like cat.
Mama, I think that's Mama.
I think I smell like cat. I think that's why. Our broadcast was interrupted by the foreman. The foreman here just hangs out here, make sure everything's good. Needed to do an inspection, make sure that we were welcome here. So we got clearance from the foreman to be here. All right, we got more flatbed here. Flatbeds which are already gooseneck prepped. These right here, guys, they retail for over 11, 12 grand, $12,000. But again, all right, don't tell Camco I told you this, but if you buy directly from me, from Payne Edinburgh, I'll probably be able to sell you these. If you buy a truck from me, probably for around 7,500 bucks. Okay, so installed, ready to go. So if you buy the Ram 3500, 4500 from me, and I get them installed, I get them at a better pricing because I buy them in bulk. Look, I buy all of these, I pay them up front, and I get better pricing. So if you come, I'll be able to get them for you for around 7,500 bucks. So if you buy the vehicle from me, 7,500 bucks, we'll put them in whatever cabin chassis you want, okay? 3,500, 4,500, 5,500, long cabin chassis, short cabin chassis. It'll come with the gooseneck prep. Now on this one, we are able to put utility boxes on the side, and I have done 100-gallon diesel tanks in the back, but we can also remove the utility boxes from the side and either do the 100-gallon tank on the top, or instead of the utility boxes on the side, we could do 2 tanks of diesel on the side. So that is also available. I can customize it any way you can, any way you want. They do have the slots here. If for whatever reason you need the gooseneck, but then you also need to put any other things in there, you put 2x4s here, and you're able also use it as a dump truck to put any type of stuff in there as well. So it's very, very versatile. This is one of our best-selling flatbeds when people buy cabin chassis from me. So $7,500 if you buy a cabin chassis from me. So I already paid for them. So these are towing packages that we also prepay for. towing package is ready to go. He's like, Adrian, your damn truck doesn't have a towing package. Can you put a towing package in there? I may not have it at the dealership, but they got the guys here, the great guys here at Camco that we partner with, they have them here ready to go. We got bumpers. We got metal bumpers, front, rear, metal bumpers ready to go. And then of course, these are the utility boxes that I was telling you about. The utility boxes, you hear the sturdiness of that? These are the utility boxes. These are a little bit more expensive. I won't say nothing on the price of these utility boxes because they are very expensive. So I don't want to open my mouth on these. We do a wide variety of upgrades on here at Camco. So guys, I wanted to make sure that I came and show you guys the stuff that we do at Camco. We do a lot of fabrications. We have 3 different metal shops that we're able to do whatever you want. We do trailers, we do anything. You tell me. You wanna, like I said, you wanna do a barbecue pit in the back of your flatbed, we'll put you a barbecue in the back of your flatbed. Doesn't matter, you tell me. So guys, once again, just wanted to showcase the type of partnership we have here with Camco and the type of flexibility we have with not only our flatbeds, but also our ProMasters, and also any truck that you want to do here with us, metal bumpers, anything like that, anything that goes to the extreme. Lifts and tires, at my dealership with certified technicians. Anything extreme commercial, here with our partners at Camco. So guys, what do you think? Put it in the comments below. Do you think this is enough, or do you think I should go a little bit more extreme? Put it in the comments below. And remember, for more tips and advice and crazy things just like this, follow me, Adrian the Car Guy.